Amazon just gave shoppers a new AI auto buy feature, and Amazon sellers, you need to pay attention. Amazon's Rufus AI assistant can now let customers set a target price and automatically buy a product when it hits that price. So a shopper can say something like, buy these headphones when they're 30% off, or purchase this t-shirt for me when it drops to $15 or less. Rufus then checks that price and can complete the purchase using the customer's default payment method on file once it hits the customer's preferred price. So that sounds like buyer convenience to the max, but for sellers, it's so much bigger than that. This means that your pricing strategy is no longer just being judged by human shoppers scrolling through deals. It's being watched by AI agents waiting for a specific trigger. The second your product hits that right price, Rufus could convert that shopper automatically. That could be great if you planned, the discount properly, but it could also be dangerous if your pricing is sloppy and your margins are thin. Let's say somebody's repricer drops the price too aggressively, or for example, you just don't have enough inventory to handle a sudden spike. This also makes price history a lot more important. Right now, Rufus shows 30 and 90-day price history, so customers can see whether your deal is actually a deal or if it's just a fake discount. So sellers need to start thinking very differently. Before running a coupon, a lightning deal, an aggressive repricer, you have to ask, will this trigger order by orders? Can I still protect my margins? Do I have the inventory to support it? And does my price history make this offer look trustworthy? Because Amazon is moving towards agentic shopping, where AI doesn't just recommend products, it's actually going to buy the product. And when AI becomes the buyer, shoppers who understand pricing disciplines are going to have the advantage. If you sell on Amazon, this is your warning. Pricing is becoming automated and your strategy needs to catch up.